Across the fertile valleys of California, Oregon, and Washington, endless rows of pear trees stretch beneath the soft autumn sunlight. Their branches are heavy with golden green fruit shimmering gently in the breeze, a quiet symbol of American agriculture at its finest. Pears may not draw as much attention as strawberries or cherries, yet they hold a unique charm, subtle, sweet, and deeply nostalgic. For centuries, this humble fruit has been a part of family orchards, comforting meals and festive desserts. Every year, American farmers harvest over 1.1 million tons of pears, enough for every person in the country to enjoy them daily. From local farms to global markets, this fruit plays an essential role, contributing over $1 billion annually to the U.S. agricultural economy. But behind every pear on your table lies a long and patient journey, from careful planting and nurturing to delicate harvesting and high-tech processing. Today, we'll follow that journey from the orchard to the factory and discover how the sweet taste of American pears is born. Pear cultivation begins with patience and precision. Farmers prepare the soil months before the first tree is planted. The ground is tilled, deeply cleared of weeds, and enriched with organic compost or natural fertilizers to boost nutrients. In California's famous Sacramento and San Joaquin valleys, climate plays a vital role. Cool nights and warm days provide the perfect conditions for pears to develop their signature sweetness and crisp texture. Before planting, young trees are supported with wooden or metal stakes to help them stand firm against strong winds and to keep the trunks straight while the roots take hold. Specialized hole digging machines powered by electric or gas engines prepare uniform planting holes quickly and precisely, ensuring consistency across the orchard. Pears are typically planted in late fall or early spring, giving them mild weather to adapt. During the first 2 years, irrigation is crucial. Farmers use drip systems that deliver water directly to the roots, reducing waste and preventing overwatering, which could cause root rot. Once the trees mature, pruning becomes an annual routine. Old, diseased, or tangled branches are trimmed away to improve sunlight exposure and air circulation. Spring brings a transformation. The orchards burst into clouds of white blossoms, filling the air with a sweet fragrance. As the bees arrive for pollination, thousands of tiny pears begin to form, each a promise of the coming harvest. As summer fades into autumn, the orchards begin to shimmer with soft golden light. It's harvest season, the most anticipated time of the year for every pear grower. In the early mornings, when the air is cool and still, workers step quietly into the orchards. Each tree is examined carefully because timing is everything. A pear that's picked too early won't develop its full sweetness. Too late, and it may bruise or fall. The perfect pear shows subtle signs. Its skin turns from green to a gentle yellow or blush tone, and its surface feels firm but smooth to the touch. To harvest, farmers lift and twist each fruit, gently separating it from the branch without tearing the stem or damaging nearby fruit. This simple motion, done thousands of times across the orchard, requires a surprising amount of skill and patience. Hand harvesting remains the heart of the pear industry. Human touch ensures that each fruit is handled delicately, protecting the thin skin that makes pears so vulnerable. Workers place the fruit into soft-lined picking bags, then transfer them into padded wooden or plastic bins designed to prevent bruising. It's slow, steady work, but it guarantees quality. At the same time, modern machinery is reshaping large-scale orchards. Conveyor-equipped harvesters move gently through the rows, allowing workers to pick from elevated platforms. Once a pear is plucked, it's set on a moving belt that carries it safely to collection bins below. These machines, equipped with shock-absorbing systems and soft silicone grippers, minimize physical strain for workers while keeping each pear pristine. Whether picked by hand or assisted by machine, every pear is treated like a fragile treasure. Once the bins are full, forklifts carry them onto trucks bound for the next destination. The processing facility where the fruit will be cleaned, sorted, and prepared for markets around the world. Once the freshly harvested pears arrive at the factory, their journey continues under strict quality control. The first stage begins with cleaning and inspection. The pears are unloaded from bins onto wide conveyor belts that move steadily through a washing system. High-pressure water jets and soft brushes remove dust, soil, and leaves collected from the orchard. Some facilities use air-blowing systems to lift away loose debris before the wash, keeping the process gentle on the delicate fruit. After cleaning, each pear passes through drying rollers and then heads towards sorting lines equipped with optical sensors and AI-driven cameras. These systems analyze every pear in real time, checking for size, color, and surface defects. Damaged or misshapen pears are separated for secondary uses such as pear puree, jam, or juice, ensuring nothing goes to waste. Premium-grade pears continue forward rolling smoothly into grading lanes where they're divided by size and weight. Next, the pears are gently cooled in a temperature-controlled misting system to lock in moisture and freshness before packaging. Workers or automated machines place them into ventilated crates or eco-friendly boxes, each labeled with information about the farm harvest date and fruit variety. Within hours, these boxes are loaded into refrigerated trucks headed for domestic markets or export terminals across the world. But not all pears are sold fresh. Many continue their transformation inside processing lines that turn them into juice or canned products. After peeling and slicing, the fruit is passed through industrial juicers that extract its natural sweetness. The juice is filtered, pasteurized, and bottled ready for distribution as one of the most refreshing drinks on the market. Canned pears follow a slightly different path. After cutting, the pieces are blanched in hot water to retain color and texture, then packed in light syrup or pear juice before being sealed in sterilized containers. This method allows pears to be enjoyed year-round, far beyond the harvest season. Whether shipped, fresh, juiced, or preserved, every product carries the same dedication to quality. From the careful hands that picked them to the precise machines that prepare them, each pear's journey is guided by both science and tradition. A perfect example of how modern agriculture keeps nature's flavor alive. From the quiet orchards of California's valleys to the bustling factories where technology hums in harmony with nature, the story of pears is a perfect blend of patience, craftsmanship, and innovation. Each step, planting, nurturing, harvesting, and processing, reflects the dedication of countless hands. Farmers rise with the sun, tending to their trees through wind and rain, trusting that months of care will one day turn into golden fruit. Workers in the fields harvest gently, knowing that every pear is fragile, while factory teams ensure that each one is handled with precision and respect. Modern machines now make the process faster and more efficient, but they've never replaced the heart behind the work, the human connection to the land. So next time you take a bite of a crisp, juicy pear, whether fresh from the market or poured as golden juice from a glass, take a moment to think about where it came from. Behind that gentle sweetness lies a story of science, tradition, and care, proof that the simplest fruits often carry the richest journeys. That's the beauty of modern farming, turning patience into prosperity and transforming each harvest into a celebration of life.